Hey, what's up, guys? We're here to do our box break number 2 of 15-16 Ultimate Collection. So we're just going to go over the teams. These are the teams and the names, obviously, assigned to those teams. We're going to show the time. Time is 9:43 a.m. Saturday, September 10. Will soon be 9:44. There it is, 9:44. Saturday, September 10. As you can see here, there's 4 boxes. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. They all come from the same inner case. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go ahead and random this 3 times. That's 1, 2, 2, 1, and 3. So we're going to be using box number 4, which is the last box right there. And the serial number on this box, actually, hold on. There we go. So the serial number on this box is 5695. If you want to see all the serial numbers, you just got to go on my YouTube channel or ask me. I'll send you the link for the box number 1. In box number 1, I show all the serial numbers so you can see that they all come from the same inner case. Box 1 was not so great. Let's hope box number 2 is better. Good luck, guys. So our first card is a Brock McGinn for Carolina, number to 125. Our second card for Pittsburgh, number to 40, it's Marc-André Fleury. Number to 40 for Pittsburgh. And for Edmonton, we have Antoine Slepisev, Ultimate Rookies jersey. It's number to 149. Our next care is a 99 from Montreal, Jacob Delarose. A rookie 99. Jacob Delarose. Nice hit for Montreal. We have a fat one here, but you know what? We'll take this one right there first. Connor Prickly, Ultimate Rookies for Florida. Number to 299. And our last card is a Max Domi for Arizona, number 22 of 25, Ultimate Rookie Patch. No autograph. Blows. Nice Max Domi for Arizona. There you go. Thank you very much, guys. We got box number 3 coming up. Got 3 more left, and then I got a little mixer post. We'll post. Hopefully, we can run through these today and tomorrow morning. Thank you very much, guys. You guys have a great morning, and thank you again for all the support.